Hey guys, Chris from Emigh Hardware here, talking about the brand new Traeger Woodridge Pro Grill. We're going to take a look at the grill right here, see some new features we have. Now they added the pop and lock accessory rails to the edge of the grill right here, so you can use your pop and lock accessories, whether you want a additional front shelf, a cup holder, etc. You can add it on there. We've got the new bigger hopper. We're going up to 24 pounds. We've got the 24-pound hopper here. We've got the pellet sensor that will tell you if your pellets are getting low or what level your pellets are at. Now this grill is going to get up to about 500 degrees depending on the exterior weather outside. Sometimes if it's colder outside it won't get quite there, but they say about 500 degrees for this grill. 970 inches of cooking surface, so you can fit however much meat or food that you need on there. A couple racks of ribs. Nice thing about this as well, it's got the all-in-one grease and ash catcher here, so you don't have to worry about grease and ash separate places. And I think my favorite part of it is the WiFire connectivity. Now WiFire is connected to the Traeger app. What it does, it allows you to actually put a timer on your app, or put a timer on your meat. You can look at your probes, you can look at your pellet sensor, you can look at the temperature of your grill right here on your phone. Fantastic grill. It's got the full clamshell. This is the Traeger Woodridge Pro.